Hey friends, a lot of users are asking what is the best time to post on YouTube in 2025, and there's no specific answer, but I'll try to explain that as a YouTuber myself. If it is entertainment based content and you are only uploading one or two posts a week, then do it on weekends in the evening. Evening means like 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. If it is troubleshooting or technology based content that people use for regular use like on our channel, then post it on weekdays. I'll tell you why. Because if you I mean, when you post something, it is highlighted in front of users, so users need to be online at that point of time, otherwise it gets older. Okay, then it has to be uploaded on weekdays. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the best time. If it's news, then obviously you'll have to upload it as soon as possible. And for international content, change the timings according to the other country. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.